anticipated OnePlus 6 is powered by the most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset and comes with major improvements to the screen, performance and camera. Choose between mirror black, midnight black, silk white and red. You can pick between 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage or 8GB RAM plus 128GB or 256GB internal storage options depending on the color you choose. Curved Gorilla Glass 5 wraps it from all around, giving it an all-glass body. It comes with water resistance from accidental splashes and guard from rain. You get a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus screen with a ratio of 19:9. Enjoy a rich full-screen experience with 84% screen-to-body ratio. The fingerprint sensor has been moved to the back of the phone in order to achieve this. You can access the phone using this or the quick face unlock feature. The dual rear cameras of 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel get a new vertical setup in this phone. This iteration comes with an increased primary camera sensor, delivering better low-light photography. With improved portrait snapping, the camera also allows you to take 4K videos as well as super slow-motion videos at 480 FPS. The front selfie camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. With the fastest Qualcomm processor, the Snapdragon 845 powering it, you are guaranteed a smooth and fast performance. It is running the user-friendly Oxygen OS on top of Android 8.1. A fast-charging 3300 mAh battery powers the phone. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery, and payment through your debit or credit